So, if you sing with me, if I adjudicate you that one, you are wrong. Because this is a moral song talking about who had a husband called Omoyo. When Omoyo passed on, that moral teaching of Omoyo, Akanyora, she's always alone. She decided, she started moving. In the process,
that's the research.
You see, what is wrong with that? Remember this, it is not about Amalinda in this context is not the band. Amalinda in this context is the clothes. So, contextually, even adjudicators handling these classes you should feed for them before and workshop them before they go to one because they can discourage a very nice performance. Yes. They can discourage a very nice performance. People have done their folk songs. What Kisii and Japania our folk songs because we fear. When people bring their folk songs on stage and you listen to what they are saying, you realize that we are dwelling on small bits of songs and we juggle them up, we spoil the taste of our originality in the process. I think we shall have time to discuss that. I don't know. But the fact is that we have deviated, we have disoriented the folk songs of our people. And if people think what they see is what we want, and we want not. Giving you examples. Just an example. Because people are hungry. Look at this song. Yes, singing song. If you sing with me. Singing song. If I adjudicate you that one, you are wrong. Because this is a moral song talking about who had a husband called Omoyo. When Omoyo passed on, that moral teaching of Omoyo, Akanyora, she's always alone. She decided, she started moving. In the process,
That's the research.